For Toyota and the European SUV market, the introduction of the first Toyota CHR showed a turning point. It was a daring entry into a fiercely competitive sector, standing in stark contrast to traditional SUV aesthetics with a dramatic, angular form more akin to the appearance of modern sports coupes. By introducing a strong emotional component to the brand, its success as a manufacturer changed how the general people in Europe perceived Toyota. Customers reacted well, with more than half citing the car's style as the main factor in their decision to buy it. Later, the Toyota CHR emerged as Toyota's top-selling vehicle for takeover sales. With innovative styling, cutting-edge technology, and a variety of electrified hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains with increased power, greater drivability, and extended all-electric driving capabilities, the all-new, next-generation Toyota CHR raises the bar for the exceptional quality and status of its predecessor. The fact that the new model was developed in Europe with European consumers firmly in mind, and that it is being constructed entirely in Europe, including assembly of its high-voltage battery units, serves to further demonstrate Toyota's commitment to the continent. The attractive new Toyota CHR follows the Prologue model's aesthetic cues that were unveiled in late 2022, and it does it with impeccable accuracy. It has the appearance of a concept car on the road because of its unique bodywork. With its coupe-like lines, the first Toyota CHR defied the rules of SUV design. The new model's super coupe shape allows for an even sharper rendering of these. The frontal styling unveils the new face of Toyota SUVs, which is also present on the all-electric bZ4X and the latest Prius. True to the design characteristics observed on the Toyota CHR Prologue, the look is sharp and piercing, with a sense that the car is poised to surge forward. The diamond-cut character lines that run up the side of the car include a significant theme of interlocking shapes that highlights the flush door handles, which are a first for a Toyota, and emphasizes the vehicle's presence on the road. Short overhangs and huge wheels, up to 20 inches in diameter, further enhance the car's sporty, compact appearance. A new type of bitone paint treatment will be available, extending the contrast black roof all the way to the rear bumper and into the back three-quarters of the vehicle. The goal was to provide a seamless appearance with sharper shut lines and flawless integration of devices like cameras, radar, and headlamp washers using a concealed tech strategy. The design and aero teams at Toyota collaborated hard to make sure the exterior was both aerodynamically effective and aesthetically stunning. As a result, the airflow over and around the car has been optimized down to the finer features, such as the exact profile of the front bumper and layout of the rear roof spoiler. The first Toyota CHR represented an improvement in sensory quality. The new model goes even farther with an interior that has a feeling and appearance that is even more luxurious and sophisticated. A horizontal instrument panel arrangement and a wing design theme give passengers the impression that the interior is wrapping around them, boosting the sense of comfort. All control elements are focused in the driver's zone. Toyota has developed a user interface that is seamless, personalized, intuitive, and goes above and beyond what the customer might expect. This is done in recognition of the value that today's consumers place on a connected in-car ecosystem that allows them to use voice commands, a touchscreen, or an app on their phone to control a variety of functions. The goal was to build a straightforward, understandable, and customized experience that considers the user's demands in advance. The external lights automatically brighten as the driver approaches their car, illuminating the new Toyota CHR light signature on the back door. A welcoming scene is immediately set up as they approach the vehicle. The driver's chosen settings are automatically applied to the multimedia screen, head-up display, digital instrument display, and seat position where applicable. Depending on the model level, the Toyota CHR comes with a new 12.3-inch completely digital combimeter. The content is easily readable, with bright graphics and clearly demarcated sections. The display can be changed to classify different information based on the driver's preferences or the type of trip being taken, for instance, making the active ADAS function information apparent when merging onto a highway. Utilizing switches on the steering wheel, the three preset layouts can be customized. Consistency in the usage of colors and fonts on the combimeter and multimedia display screen improves quality and user-friendliness. The Toyota CHR will be offered with a digital key system, allowing users to start and enter the car with just their phone in hand. The ambient lighting system in the Toyota CHR provides a wide variety of colors up to 64 to enable options for interior direct and indirect lighting to reflect the cabin's temperature or the time of day. To transition from bright morning tones to more calming ones in the evening, a program of 24 changing shades has been created and timed to the passing of each hour. The use of interior lighting that turns red to warn of a door being opened when there is a risk of accident with traffic or bicycles coming up behind would strengthen the safe exit assist system's oral and visual alerts and help increase safety. These improvements to ambient lighting functionality are available for the first time on the Toyota CHR. The brand new Toyota CHR will be offered with the Toyota Smart Connect multimedia package, which will include, depending on model grade, an 8 or 12.3-inch touchscreen, an onboard voice assistant, and wireless smartphone connection via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. With regard to its BOI function, the system will offer details on EV range and nearby charging stations. The mighty smartphone app will also allow owners to remotely control features of their cars, such as the air conditioning system, which will allow them to preheat or pre-cool their vehicle. A class-exclusive automatic parking function is part of the high level of innovation in the brand new Toyota CHR. In order to allow for even more precise handling in constrained places, an app will also be made available that will enable totally remote parking with the driver outside the vehicle. The most recent lineup of active safety and driver assistance features from Toyota, Safety Sense, will be available on all models of the brand new Toyota CHR. To offer even better protections against numerous major accident risks and to lighten the burden on the driver, their functionality and range have been expanded. Future system software updates can be supplied over the air for enhanced convenience without the need to visit a store. The brand new Toyota CHR will be available with a choice of 4 electrified powertrains, showcasing Toyota's well-established multi-technology approach to carbon neutrality. Toyota is of the opinion that a variety of choices must be made available to customers in order to provide them with access to reasonably priced and useful automobiles that will both quicken the rate of CO2 reductions already underway and support a smooth transition to zero-emission mobility. A 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid electric PHEV model and 1.8 and 2.0-liter hybrid electric HEV models are included in the range. Intelligent all-wheel drive AWDI will also be a choice for the 2.0-liter HEV model. The new models take advantage of the most recent Toyota technology, the 5th generation, which provides a class-leading balance of greater power and low emissions, satisfying the needs and priorities of customers at the center of the C-segment market. The essential hybrid system components, including a new transaxle and power control unit PCU, as well as a stronger high-voltage battery, have all undergone thorough redesigns to minimize size and bulk. Having said that, what do you think of the 2024 Toyota CHR PHEV? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.